Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. AdMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did question number 11 part A, B, C from exercise 14.4, question number 12, part A, B and C. And the topic of this exercise is the sum of all concepts of chapter number 12, differentiation 1, and sum of all concept of chapter number 14, exercise 14.1 to 14.3. So before I start next two parts of question number 12, first, I would suggest all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is AdMath. Watch previous lectures of this exercise and this chapter as well. Then you will have good command on this topic. Let's start question number 12 part D, because we have already done part A to part C in last lecture. So part D is y is equals to ex upon sin x, and the requirement is to find the stationary point and the nature of these stationary points. So first we have to find dy by dx. Because two functions are divided, so we have to use quotient rule, that is u upon v formula. So v square, v as it is, derivative of ex is ex minus ex as it is, derivative of sin x, that is cos x. Now replace dy by dx by 0 is equals to, there is common ex sin x minus cos x upon sin x square is sin square x. This sin square x multiplied by 0, so it will be 0 is equals to ex sin x minus cos x. This is factorized, so ex is equals to 0 and sin x minus cos x is equals to 0. You know, ex cannot be equals to 0 because if we take ln on both sides, so ln 0 is undefined. Therefore sin x minus cos x is equals to 0. So sin x is equals to cos x, or you can write cos x into 1. So sin x upon cos x is equals to 1. Sin x upon cos x is tan x is equals to 1. X is equals to tan inverse 1, and tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So this is the first stationary value of x, that is pi by 4. And because the domain is 0 to pi, so this is only one value of x. Now put this value of x in the given question. The question is, y is equals to ex upon sin x. So x is pi by 4, e pi by 4, sin x is pi by 4. So calculate this value with the help of calculator. Our final answer is 3.10 with the help of calculator. So stationary point is x is pi by 4 and y is 3.10. Now we have to find the nature of this stationary point. We already have the first derivative, that is dy by dx. Is equals to ex sin x minus cos x upon sin square x. So again we have to apply u upon v formula, that is v square, v as it is derivative of u, sin x derivative is cos x, minus cos x derivative is minus minus plus sin x, minus, sorry, this is not correct, I will do again, there is some mistake. I am going to find double derivative dy by dx again. So v square sin square x square, v as it is derivative of u. Students, u is ex into sin x minus cos x. So we have to apply u into v formula. So u times derivative of sin x is cos x and minus cos x is plus sin x, plus v time derivative of ex, derivative of ex is ex. So this is the derivative of u. So repeat again, v square, v as it is derivative of u, minus u as it is, that is ex sin x minus cos x, dot derivative of v, derivative of sin square x. So sin square is x derivative is 2 sin x into derivative of sin x cos x. So this is the complete package of double derivative. So before we put the value of x, first if we simplify it, if I take common ex from this expression, cos x plus sin x plus sin x minus cos x and this is minus 2 ex sin x minus cos x into sin x multiplied by cos x. And upon v square, that is sin 4x, because sin square to square is sin 4x. Now if you see carefully, This cos x cancel by this cos x. So we have sin square x ex. Sin x and sin x is 2 sin x. Okay, I hope you completely understand. Minus 2ex sin x minus cos x dot sin x cos x upon sin 4x. No need to simplify this. I want to simplify more, but before we just check the sign of the whole this expression, so we put the value of x, that is pi by 4. So sin square pi by 4 e power pi by 4 2 dot sin x pi by 4 minus 2 e pi by 4 sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4 dot sin pi by 4 dot cos pi by 4, and whole upon is sin pi by 4 whole power 4. Now if you find the value of sin pi by 4 from your calculator, you will get 1 upon root 2, and if you find cos pi by 4 from your calculator, you will again get 1 upon root 2. So you can cancel this by this because both have the values are same. So what is remaining? This sin square pi by 4 cancel by this 4, that is square 2e pi by 4 sin pi by 4 upon sin pi by 4 whole square, and this whole thing is 0. 0 multiplied by something is 0. What is remaining? This sin pi by 4 cancel by this square, so 2e pi by 4 upon sin pi by 4. Obviously this is greater than 0, and you can check this from your calculator. Therefore your stationary point pi by 4 comma 3.10 is minimum. So hope you enjoy this part, little bit lengthy but very easy. Move to part E. The last part of question number 12 is part E. Y is equals to 2 sin x cos x plus 2 cos x, and the domain is given from 0 to pi. So first we have to find the derivative. dy by dx. 2, I am going to apply sin x cos x uv formula. So u time cos x derivative is minus sin x plus cos x time derivative of sin x is cos x, and plus 2 cos x derivative is minus sin x. Sin into sin is minus sin square x plus minus minus 2 sin x. So minus 2 sin square x minus 2 sin x is the final derivative, or you may write minus 2 sin square x. If you take common minus 2 sin x from the whole expression, so it is sin x plus 1. Now replace dy by dx by 0. But before I do next step, I just want to check all steps again. Yes, I did a mistake. Two sin x into minus sin x is minus sin square x, and cos x into cos x cos square x. This is my mistake. Minus 2 sin x. So 2 into minus sin square x, cos square can be right 1 minus sin square x. This is trigonometry. Minus sin is minus 2 sin square x plus 1 minus 2 sin x. Two twos are minus 4 sin square x, 2 ones are 2 minus 2 sin x. Now you have to replace dy by dx by 0 and write the equation in this way: minus 4 sin square x minus 2 sin x plus 2. Taking minus 2 common from the whole expression, so 2 sin square x plus sin x plus 1. Sorry, not plus 1, minus 1, because I took minus 2 is common, so minus minus plus. This minus 2 must be divided by 0. So we have a quadratic equation: 2 sin square x plus sin x minus 1. Military break method. 1 2 is 2, so 2 sin square x plus 2 sin x minus sin x minus 1 is equals to 0. Taking 2 sin x is common, so it would be sin x plus 1. Taking minus 1 is common, sin x plus 1 is equals to 0. So 2 sin x minus 1 sin x plus 1 is equals to 0. So sin x plus 1 is equals to 0. 2 sin x minus 1 is equals to 0. Sin x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to sin inverse minus 1. So sin inverse minus 1 is minus pi by 2. This is not admissible because we have domain given is from 0 to pi. So this is rejected. Now we have to take the second equation. The second equation is two sin x is equals to 1. Sin x is equals to 1 upon 2. X is equals to sin inverse 1 upon 2. Now see this. Our domain is from 0 to pi. So we have two angles. One is pi by 6, sorry, and other is 5 pi by 6. Kindly wait. √3 upon 2r. Kindly wait, I am just checking one point, please don't mind. So we have two values of x. One is pi by 6 and the other is 5 pi by 6, and both these values are in our domain from 0 to pi. So we will accept both values. Now find the value of y. What is our question? Y is equals to 2 sin x cos x plus 2 cos x. Two sin x cos x plus 2 cos x. This is our y value. Now first we have to put x is equals to pi by 6. So y is equals to 2 sin x pi by 6 cos pi by 6 plus 2 cos pi by 6. With the help of calculator, we have 3 root 3 upon 2. Hence, first stationary point is pi by 6, comma 3 root 3 upon 2. Now, we have to take second value of x, that is 5 pi by 6. So y is equals to 2 sin 5 pi by 6 cos 5 pi by 6 plus 2 cos 5 pi by 6, and the value of y is this time minus 3 root 3 upon 2. Hence, the second stationary point is 5 pi by 6, comma minus 3 root 3 upon 2. Now, the next step is to find the nature of this stationary point. What was the answer of our dy by dx? Kindly check. This is our final answer. I am taking this minus 2 into 2 sin square x plus sin x minus 1, because this will give easy double derivative answer. So dy by dx is equals to minus 2 multiplied by 2 sin square x plus sin x minus 1. So double derivative d square y by dx square is minus 2. 2 sin square derivative is 4 sin x cos x, sin x derivative is cos x, minus 1 derivative is 0. So d square y by dx square is minus 2 4s are minus 8 sin x cos x minus 2 cos x. Now satisfy this answer one by one. D square y by dx square when x is pi by 6, the answer is minus 8 sine pi by 6 cos pi by 6 minus 2 cos pi by 6. Find with the help of calculator. The answer is minus 3 root 3. It means the whole answer is minus 3 root 3, which is less than 0. Hence, pi by 6 and 3 root 3 by 2 is maximum. Now check the second value of stationary point. D square y by dx square when x is 5 pi by 6. So minus 8 sine 5 pi by 6 cos 5 pi by 6 minus 2 cos 5 pi by 6. The answer is the answer is 3 root 3. Which is greater than 0. Hence, 5 pi by 6 comma minus 3 root 3 upon 2 is minimum. But I don't know. I am confused. The answer in the book is given this. This answer is not given. I don't know why. Because both the values of x lies in our domain, that is from 0 to pi. Therefore, I declare that the answer in the book is wrong. So, students, this is our today's class where we finish whole question number 12. Very important question. Each and every part is very important. How many questions are left? 13, 14, 15 and 16. I will finish all these 4 questions in a single lecture. So kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.